Well, so for everyone who's been wondering what we've been up to, not being at the markets lately, um, we did a thing. This is going to be our temporary driveway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 truckloads, which I believe are 20 yards each. That's going to go all the way to the end of the hill, and then all the way back that way to building 4. Excuse the mess here. Building 4 is all the way back there. I think I'm pointing at it. There's a lot of sun right now. That one. And that's going to be the workshop, and just behind the mound here is going to be where all the nursery is going to be, where we're going to be keeping all the new plants. And so yeah, we've got our work cut out for us, because we've got to shovel all this stuff along there and flatten it. And, no, I'm just kidding. They're going to come out and do all that for us. But yeah, that's what we've been up to. And yeah, it's been fun. So we've still got the water problem. Of course, everybody's got super high water right now, but give you an idea of what we're dealing with. This part isn't so bad. There's some rocks and stuff we've got to get out of that driveway there, but this part isn't so bad. It's fairly solid up until just beyond the mound here, this new mound. And then that's where we got stuck in the mud a couple weeks ago, and all that good stuff. So, and all this stuff is trash and stuff we gotta move around and things like that. But anyway, that's what we're dealing with. So today's Monday. We'll see y'all at the market next on Thursday. And stay safe, wear your masks, and we hope to see y'all out there safe and sound. All right, bye-bye.